Hello friends, welcome to part 18 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI-powered e-commerce website. So from this part, we will start working on the integration of the template, HTML template that we have downloaded in the last part. So we will start working on the front end. Okay, so in this part, we are going to do the layout setup. We are going to set the header, footer, and all other content we are going to set. We will add the separate scripts file, separate styles file. Okay, so all the layout we are going to set in this part. So in this part, we will integrate the downloaded HTML template into our Laravel 13 project. We will set up a proper blade layout structure, separate header and footer files, and create a static home page using the template. So we are going to run the static home page in this part. At the end of this part, you can able to see, and we are going to convert HTML template to Laravel blade. This is our goal of this part. Create shared layout, like I'm talking about the header, footer, all this is share layout. Okay, and we'll show the home page statically. Okay, so these things we are going to do in this part. So let's start the project. Right now I have not started it. We have added it in the WAMP folder as the WAMP supports the PHP 8.3. Okay, so here I'm going to run first of all the WAMP server. So here I'm going to show you the template that we have downloaded. This is the template that we have downloaded in the last part. You can able to see this is the template and this is the home page of the template that we are going to merge into our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay. So once again, I'm going to tell you that these are the steps that you are going to take for getting the template free of cost. Subscribe to our channel, give 5-star rating and review on Google, install the SiteMakers app on your Android or iPhone, like our Facebook page, join our Facebook group, and like and comment on this Laravel 13 video. Okay, it will just take 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will send you the template that you can download and see. This is the template. This is the home page that you can able to download. So we are going to convert this home page into the Laravel website. So we are going to follow these steps that you can find under video as well. Okay, so let's run the project now. Later we have started the web, and now I'm going inside the www, then personal. This is the e-commerce that we are working on. I'm going to right click, show more options, open git bash here. I'm going to run the php artisan serve. So we have completed the admin panel so far that we have done in the filament. Okay. So later on, we will also update the admin panel when we will do the order placement process. Then we are going to add the orders module in the admin panel as well. But that thing we are going to do later. So here I'm also going to open that template in the Sublime in a separate file here. So this is the index.html that we are going to merge. Okay, we will separate this head portion will go in one part. This header will go in one part, and here you can see this thing we will go in one part, and this is the main body that will go in one part, and this is the footer that we are going to put it in one part. Okay, this script you can see that we are going to put it in scripts.blade file, and here also I'm going to show you the css somewhere that we are going to put it in a css file. Okay, I'm going to see .css. See here. Okay, so this one we are going to put it in styles.css. Okay, so all these files we are going to do like this. So let's come back, and yes, project is now running. See, at home page we have not done anything so far. Okay, but we can open the admin in a separate link. Here you can see the admin, and here you can see this is the home page Laravel 13. Okay, and this is the admin that we can log in. I'm going to open the PHP My Admin as well. EA e-commerce. I'm going to check the users that we have made so far. So I'm going to log in with this one, admin@statically. So this is the admin panel that is ready so far. Okay, here you can see all the modules are here: categories, brands, products, attributes, values, coupons, banners, and users. Okay, so now we will start working on the front end. So let's first of all move the template uh, to that HTML file to our Laravel project. So here we are going to copy this themes folder to the public folder. This themes folder will have CSS font, images, image, IMG folder, and then JS folder. Okay, so these folders, not specifically, just this common themes folder, I'm going to put inside our project folder, inside public, and yes, we are going to put it inside public. Okay, first thing that we are going to do. Okay, so after this we are going to create these resources views. Under sources views we are going to create front end folder. Okay, for the complete front end we are going to manage inside these resources views and then front end folder. Inside front end, then again once again we are going to create two folders. First we are going to create the front end means that we are going to work in the front end. Okay, inside this we are going to work in the front end. So inside front end, again once again we are going to add the layout folder that will have the common layout for the complete website. This is the app.blade.php. That is like the index.html file, okay, of the HTML. It contains header, footer, everything it contains, but it will just we are going to include the file inside this file. Okay, this is the main file of our project that include the other files. So we can bring this file here as well. Okay, so now we are going to create the partials folder. So partials means, okay, like it's like the another scripts we are going to put inside this folder. Okay, inside partial header, footer, everything will come inside this, uh, because we can say these are the secondary files. This is the primary file and these are all the secondary files, and these all these secondary files are connected to the primary file. Okay, so all these files we are going to create here: header.blade.php. After that I'm going to create 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, just going to rename now footer, styles, scripts, and outside this folder here in front end, it's the layouts, and inside the layouts there is the app.blade.php. That is fine, and this placement is wrong. We are going to put here, I think, outside the layouts. Yes, here it will come. Okay, layouts, and inside layouts app, and inside partial this one, and here we are going to put the home.blade inside front end. This is this will contain the index.html. Okay, middle content of index.html. Okay, home.blade, it will come here. So now let's add the content here. Now all the content we are going to copy from this HTML. Okay, so the style will contain all these kind of style. Okay, I have already done at my end, because we need to correct their path as well. Okay, we need to add here the Laravel syntax. Here you can see the asset as asset for containing the CSS path. Okay, CSS path we need to correct for the CSS, for the JS, for the images we are going to use this Laravel asset. Okay, so this one we are going to copy inside this style dot. Okay, so after this okay, so now for I'm going to open the scripts in the same way. We are going to copy the scripts. All these files we have copied from there only. Okay, sorry, not here. This one I can close now. Okay, this one you can, we have already seen scripts. and scripts will contain this JS. Now this partial header blade file. Header will contain the header content that also we will copy from the index.html. After copy, we will update it. We are going to use the Laravel syntax set wherever we required. In some cases, we also need to append the URL tags. Okay, then footer. Then footer also we are going to copy. And this is the app.blade in which we are going to merge all. Okay, here you can see the complete HTML layout will come up here. Now, if you will here, I will bring this index.html there, then you can able to understand here like this. Okay, you can now able to understand. See here, structure is same. Only thing we have included the files. See how small the code is. Okay, see header is coming from the header part, footer is coming from the footer part, style is coming from the styles blade file, and script is coming from the scripts blade file. All this code is coming from their respective files. Okay, and here if you are going to do like this this head, we can do it like this, so that for the clarity we can just make the complete head. We have put that in one file. Okay, this is the main content, this is the main content, and this is the footer. Okay, in footer also we have put this JS in scripts. Okay, and from header CSS also we have put in a separate file. Okay, and then we have included those files here in the app.blade.php file. Okay, so next step is to update the home.blade.php file that will include the main content of the index page. Okay, so all the middle content of the index.html will come inside this file home.blade.php that we have created earlier. Here it will come, and here in at the top you can see that we have extended that layout. Okay, we need to add this layout in all the blades that we are going to create, so that we can able to set the header and footer of this blade file. Okay, so the middle content vary for all the blade file, but header and footer will remain the same. Okay, so this is the middle content of index.html. This is the middle content. All this middle content comes up here, comes up in the home.blade. Okay, you can see if you will do like this, carousel and main body, carousel and main body comes from the index.html middle content. Okay, so and for rest of the code we have the separate files. I hope it clears to you. So in next we are just going to update the route for this one to show the home page in our Laravel website. Just route we are going to update. This is the dummy route that will update to the return view frontend.home, because we have created that frontend folder. Inside frontend we have the home.blade.php file, so it will pick this home.blade.php in route. Okay, so now we are going to check whether our home page will update to our Laravel 13 e-commerce website homepage. See here, this is the homepage of our e-commerce website of Laravel 13. You can see we able to merge this homepage into our Laravel website. Okay, Laravel 13 website. So this is the homepage of our AI powered e-commerce website. You can see this is now opening in Laravel 13. Okay, instead of the simple index.html, it is now opening in Laravel 13 homepage. So we able to convert it to the Laravel. Okay, we able to have the separate header, we able to have the separate footer, we able to have that separate scripts files, we able to have that separate styles files, and this middle content will vary from page to page, and all the scripts are working fine. You can able to see everything is working. So these are the steps that you can follow, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. Okay, and please make sure to subscribe the channel. That is the StackDevelopers YouTube channel. You can subscribe, you can join to get the source code as well. Okay, so search for the StackDevelopers and open the channel. Please subscribe to get all the updates and join to get the source code of the Laravel 13 series with complete support. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.